Python add item to the tuple. I have some object.ids which I try to store in the user session as tuple. When I add first one it works, but tuple looks like u2, but when I try to add new one using my tuple equals my tuple plus new.id got error can only concatenate tuple, not Unicode, to tuple.
You need to make the second element a one tuple, e.g.
From tuple to list to tuple, or with a longer list of items to append. Gives you. The point here is, list is a mutable sequence type. So you can change a given list by adding or removing elements. Tuple is an immutable sequence type. You can't change a tuple. So you have to create a new one.
Tuple can only allow adding tuple to it. The best way to do it is, I tried the same scenario with the below data, it all seems to be working fine.
Сейчас мы там